E aí galerinha, sejam todos bem-vindos a mais uma gameplay de Red Dead Redemption 2. Peço para quem estiver chegando, deixe um like, não vai custar nada. Participe da comunidade do Discord. Participe da comunidade do Discord. E também participem aí do meu canal principal, quem estiver acompanhando pela Twitch, o canal Carlos Televisando Gameplay. Abaixo no campo dos comentários aí, também na descrição vai estar o link do Discord para vocês participarem. Participem lá, galera. Posto notícias diárias de gameplay dos games, tudo. E também dá notícias diárias do que está acontecendo sobre o mundo dos games. Bom, galera, hoje nós vamos continuar aqui as aventuras de Arthur Morgan na região de Península Crames. Nós estamos no meio da treta familiar entre a família Braithwaite e a família os Grey, né? Já faz mais ou menos uma semana que eu não trago o Red Dead do canal. Hoje em 2026, pleno começo de 2026, não vai continuar a campanha aqui do jogo. Até a atual data, dependendo do futuro que a gente estiver visualizando. Vamos dar continuidade aqui à nossa jogatina. Um jogo maravilhoso, um jogo vívido. Red Dead Redemption é uma experiência única, né? Para cada jogador, não enjoa. Hoje nós vamos continuar aqui um pouco modo história e vamos fazer um pouco de exploração ao redor. Porque tem muitas missões aqui ao redor para serem feitas. E hoje vai ser mais exploração. Talvez uma ou duas missões principais a gente faz. O jogo também requer exploração, ambientação, jogo vívido. Hoje nós vamos buscar muitos peixes lendários que eu quero pescar com vocês. Conhecer a região também da área do lago aqui, no capítulo 3, né? E óbvio, o Arthur Morgan notar mais coisas no seu diário. Primeira coisa, nós vamos atrás do assassino de Valentine lá. Deixa eu ver aqui. Deixa eu ver se eu lembro se nós vai começar no acampamento. Lembrando que quem estiver visualizando pelo YouTube, deixa um like. Não vai custar nada. Ah, estamos com a mesma roupa aqui. Eu gosto de ir com a roupa clássica do Arthur.
Morning. Howdy. You heard from any O'Driscolls? No, of course not. I've been here with you a lot.
Ah, continua chamando de outro bicho.
You tell us, okay? See you, Arthur.
Tá cheio de missão também pra fazer.
Morning, Dave. Arthur. Don't know how we got anything done before you joined us. I like to keep busy.
Ah, tem solicitação de item aqui. Tem dois pedidos de Oleandro. Onde que eu vou achar o Oleandro?
Morning. Why don't you sit, Arthur? Hey, Taylor.
Good morning.
O ensopado não tá sendo feito ainda. Shirley, o que tá fazendo?
Good morning.
Abigail.
Okay, one more time. Hello.
Yes. Hello, Arthur.
I'm only joking with you.
Ó o cachorro aqui, cadê o nosso companheiro?
You okay? Good to see you.
Quero melhorar a nossa cela também.
Yeah.
Tem tanta missão aqui, deixa eu ver. Vou voltar para o Rhodes comprar esse jornal.
Gotta help anyone who tries to get past you.
Morning.
Ó, a sede tá de quarta-costas. Vou voltar lá para o Rhodes. Tem uma das missões pra fazer daqui para esse circo, né?
Hey there, partner.
Opa, o que tá acontecendo? Um assalto ao trem?
Easy. Whoa.
São saqueadores de Lemoyne, né? Cadê ele?
We're gonna make one hell of an example of you.
Ah, ele estava saqueando esse trem. Tem um cacife aqui. Onde tem o Leandro? Calma aí, meu amigo. Tem uma missão aqui. Quem que é esse cara? Vamos fazer essa missão aqui. Ei, o que tá acontecendo aqui?
Yes, sir. I've been trapped down here. Why are you dressed up like that? I've seen some sick perversions in my time. This one might take
Nossa.
a price. Wait, please. You gotta help me. It's that crazy gunsman. He made me dress up like this. He's got me chained to the goddamn front.
Armeiro louco?
You gotta do something, please. He's never gonna let me go. Please, you gotta get me out of here.
Pera aí.
I'm telling you the truth. He's got me chained up.
Well, thought I might have seen the last of you. What can I do for you, huh?
Antes vamos comprar umas coisas dele.
Whoa now! That's a fool.
I want to see what's in that basement of yours. Show me. Right now.
Nothing no worse down there, I swear.
Why don't I be the judge of that? Open it now!
All right, all right. I got nothing to hide. I got my boy sleeping down there. It's such a shame to wake him. You know, you can always come back after he wakes up.
You should stay away from me.
Now, what I tell you about talking to your paw that way?
Vamos ver o que tem aqui embaixo.
Oh, thank God.
He can't see I only do it for his own good.
Just what the hell is going on here?
He was being a bad little boy, stealing candy from the store again. It's for his own good.
I'm not your little boy, you mad son of a bitch!
Que maluquice, cara.
Why are you wearing that sailor suit? That crazy maniac put me in it! He thinks I'm his kid's son! Kidnapped me, he did! Do I look like a kid?
Always in such a rush to grow up these days, aren't they?
Please, please help me. He's got me chained up here.
Don't take him away from me. He's all I got.
Please, don't listen to that maniac. He ain't my father.
I can't lose him. Not again.
Please shoot
Eu vou
me shot,
libertá-lo.
I can't spend another day down here. Come on, please. How the hell can I be his son?
Que loucura, cara. O garoto tá vestido de marinheiro.
never getting out of here, am I? Oh, finally! Thank you. Thank you. Oh, you
I'm
sick
sorry.
son of a-
Please forgive me. I know it was wrong. I just couldn't face that he was gone. I was
Nossa, cara, que
teaching
doido.
Sammy how to hold the rifle proper out by the river.
O cara é
The
louco, cara.
recoil shot him backwards. He slipped into the river. The water pulled him downstream
This boy
so
go.
quick. It all happened so fast, I didn't know what to do. I searched up and down that riverbank for days. But I couldn't find my boy. I just miss him so much. And you remind me of him. You look just like him. I'm so sorry.
O garoto vai à
Please
escola.
forgive me. Don't know what else you want from me. Take what you want. I don't care anymore.
Nossa, que insanidade. Ah, o armeiro, ele é dono daqui, ó. Esse garoto lembra o filho dele, então. Vamos olhar de Pinóquio. Vamos saquear uma arma, né, óbvio. O que você merece, hein, meu chapa? Vamos sair daqui. Esse homem tá me dando luxo. É louco. Como um bom ladrão que eu sou. Preciso de grana, money. Ele casava com o filho dele, o cachorro.
You okay there?
Que esse cara quer?
Give me a minute to move.
Move.
Quer que eu saia
Ma'am,
daqui?
I said the
Sair?
wrong place.
Excuse me?
I didn't mean any
Nenhuma boa
offense, sir.
ação.
Please.
I don't get your meaning.
I'm very sorry,
Não
sir.
tô entendendo. Sim,
You
muito
have
senhor.
yourself
Tenha um ótimo.
a fine day. I apologize
Quem é
for
você?
any offense I may have inadvertently caused.
What are you drinking, mister?
Nothing, sir. Nothing at all.
Why are you acting
Nada
so
mesmo?
strange?
I don't mean to. I'm sorry for any offense.
How could you
Qualquer
offend
aí, como
me?
você teria me
I had
ofendido?
no idea. But I had no idea how I offended the last fellas. And they stole my wagon on account of my impudence.
Minha insolência.
Stole your wagon for back check?
They didn't like my medical practice, I suppose. I was helping folk.
That wasn't popular?
I was undercutting
Não é popular.
competition. Or I was too colored. Or I was irritating in nature. Or I was some know-it-all big
da
city
cidade
slicker
grande.
headed to mean some good old boys of my fine words. The exact variety of my sins was the source of some conjecture, so they undercut me.
That ain't very nice.
That was
Não
my
é muito
wretched.
gentil.
Still,
Qual é o nome do senhor?
gutting, castration, defenestration, and crucifixion they offered me. I felt I got off lightly.
Imaginative bunch.
Yeah,
Bando cheio de imaginação.
no great love of my medical
Como minha
practice.
prática
Too
médica não
free
é
with my
admirada.
wisdom and services.
Which
Ok.
way they go?
Pra onde eles
Down the road,
foram?
right away.
Por aquela estrada.
I'm sort
aqui?
of forced to. Please don't go to
Vou
any
recuperar
trouble
suas
on my
coisas.
account.
Mm-hmm.
Are you looking for that fella's wagon? I heard him say they was taking it to McComb's Inn.
Okay.
Paga uma Kombi.
Hey there!
Até o fato de uma Conte. Qual o nome desse sujeito?
I can't do my good work without the way.
Seu trabalho sem a carroça.
Yep. Hey, boy.
Vamos fazer isso, então. Recuperar a carroça desse homem. Jovem médico. Negro. Uhul, cavalinho, canário. Estou num pântano aqui.
Easy now.
Essa arma vai ser boa. Vamos lá, vamos lá.
Doctor, a friend of mine lost his wagon. You all ain't seen it, have you?
Uppity, ain't he? You tell your friend we gonna pay him a visit. I know what you about, Dark.
Okay, fora na.
Where you got the wagon, huh?
Eu vou pegar a carro do meu amigo. Tem dinamite aqui.
If you done, boys, I'll go.
Quem são essas pessoas que roubaram nele? Carroça. Eu lembro, eu já vim aqui antes. Ah, carroça no médico. Mas antes que eu pescar aqui pra ver. Eu pescar vários peixes. O Arthur hoje vai ser pescador.
How's about this pay, I wonder? Here we go.
Tem cobra nesse lago, tem jacaré também. Acho que aqui eu tô no meio da missão, né? Doutor Renault.
Okay, come on. Get you back to the doctor. Here.
Legal, cara.
Whoa. Idiot.
Tá cheio de ladrões aqui. Dessa vez não foram os saqueadores de lemões não que fizeram.
Hey.
Vamos lá.
Just leave it alone, won't you? What the hell you want with this thing? That all of you? Shit. Whoa, whoa. Come on.
Que eles querem com a carroça do médico?
Yep.
Nossa, deixa eu ver a placa.
There we go.
Peraí.
Yep. Hold up.
Esperamos a carroça do médico.
Howdy. Hello.
Sai da frente, meu. Espera a sua carroça, moço.
Look who it is. I did not count on seeing that wagon again. Nor you, for that matter.
The only people you won't be seeing are the folks who took it.
I take
Roubaram
it they
ela.
are the only ignorant bullying clodhoppers in these
Não é coletores é bom
But
dessas
I live
bandas,
for
olha lá.
glorious hope. Yeah. It wasn't
Okay.
trouble now, was it?
No, it was a pleasure.
Yeah. Let me
Your
give you
brother
something
Bang.
for your pleasure. What we got here. How about this? Provide a man a tincture.
Aqui tá isso. Tem uma.
Well for a day. Teach him to make one, he might do well a while longer.
I'll make
Oh,
sure
livro
to make
ensina.
this. Thank you.
Thank you. It
Thank
won't work
you.
for anything
Não vai
crime.
funcionar para
May
nada.
not need me to.
Mas talvez.
Well, see me on my travels and
Caso
you'll
me
need
veja viajando
something,
por aí,
make
estiver
sure you
precisando de
come and
algo,
say hello.
Travel safe now.
te envio-me um cumprimento. Viagem em segurança. Dr. Reynolds. Já que a gente vai ver de novo. Remédio especial. Que é o produto dele. Aí ele embora. A parte passada não é pra consumo aqui o salão, né? Deixa eu ver um negócio agora aqui do mapa. Pera aí, galera. O Leandro, onde eu vou conseguir? Deixa eu ver aqui a localização. Onde que eu vou conseguir bardana também? Vamos buscar esses itens.
Yeah. Easy, easy.
Que é isso aqui? Por examinar.
okay, fella? Yeah. Slow up, man.
Pântanos de lacres. Eu acho que é aqui. Opa, aqui tem um monte mesmo. Levar um couro de jacaré pra casa. Vamos ver aguardando agora a localização. Hum. Onde tem a localização guardando? Vamos ver no mapa, deixa eu ver.
in time. I'm lost out here and I ain't got no food and no water. Could you please take me to town, please? Why not? Oh, you're a good man. A good man. Shit. Yep. Hey! Oh, damn. Just had to ask for help, huh?
Já um homem morto, né? Quem mandou.
Let's go, boy.
Tava na cara, né? Só que isso. Vamos atrás da banana. Faz uma hora de jogo já. Olha o doutor aqui. Doutor Reynolds. É ele mesmo. E aí, doutor Reynolds?
Get out the road. Easy.
Onde ele tá indo? É o que eu ajudei ele, né? Encontro aleatório bacana, cara. Yeah.
Okay then.
Uma garça pegar também.
Easy now.
É Bardana? Deixa eu ver aqui. Ai, ai. Ah, Bardana, achei. Isso aqui é o que o Killian pediu. Agora eu posso voltar pra casa. Tá um pouco longe, né?
Gotta go, boy. Yep.
É, minha aventura em fogo, hoje é hora de descansar.
Here. Hey. Come on, pal. Here. Easy. Whoa.
Olha, tá quase lua cheia.
Yeah.
Vamos lá aqui pra clarear a noite. Como que o mundo do Red Dead 2, galera, é vivo, né? Vivo e corre com fluidez.
I'm getting an earful about you. Better believe it. You shoot a prisoner in a cage? Hard case? Huh? All right. Glad to be out of there. Guess we about even. You stay at Lemoyne.
Nossa, cara. Tá, porra, a carroça virou. Ah, deu um bug lá, você viu? Caraca.
Take more than that, boy. Ah! Yep.
Vou continuar aqui, estamos perto. Vai amanhecendo o dia, rapaz.
Who's out there?
Arthur, dumbass.
You're back.
Slow up now. Real good, boy.
Esse cavalo merece, pertence a Bill e não pode ser montado neste momento. Cavalo do o Conde.
Easy there. Whoa.
É o cavalo do Dutch.
There she is.
Morning, Arthur.
Aí, ó, você quer
Hey, Here's some
A
of that
bardan que
crap
você vestiu
food
queria.
on it.
Oh, you actually... Well, thank you. This'll make a good batch, all right?
Okay.
Arthur! Arthur!
Vamos dormir um pouco.
How are things with you? I'm good. Someone's been here to give me...
Arthur deseja descansar. Vou usar esse chapéu.
That's quite a gun you got there.
Sure.
Something about watching you clean it. Gets me all hot and bothered. I love it.
You'll not charm me, Mr. Bell.
I'll certainly try.
Oh, Mike, o que você tá perguntando?
If you're not interested, fine.
A roupa da nossa região.
Hey there. Hey there, folks.
Room by the fire here, Mr. Morgan.
Miss Roberts.
Galera, eu vou pescar.
There he is. Hi, Arthur. Hi, Mary Beth.
Hello, Arthur.
Vamos pesquisar essa região aqui. Vou falar nisso, vou salvar o progresso, cara. Alphonse Reynolds, Magic Lieutenant, Visitors. Isso. Vamos ver o nome do cara aqui, Alfonso, o quê? Vamos lá, vamos lá. Vamos pesquisar aqui. Arthur. O acampamento tá lá, né? O parque do acampamento que eu comprei.
Okay.
Ok.
Oh, accept.
Peguei. Acho que peguei.
Good to meet you.
Ô, peixão.
Let's see if anything's biting.
Matuta arco-íris. Aê.
Okay.
Olha meu cavalo vem nadando até aqui, ó. Tem bardando aqui também, cara. Nossa, agora vai ter bardando pra caramba. Você vê meu cavalo obedece, né?
Whoa!
Vamos explorar esse lago.
Let's get. Easy, easy.
Aí bota.
Yeah. Easy there.
Ah, tá boa comum.
Yep.
Opa, o que que temos aqui? Um barco de pirata. Sai de mãos altas aí. Vamos ver o que temos aqui. Ah, essa enorme ilha tem segredos, né? Chapéu. Legal. Chapéu de pirata. Ô marujos companheiros, estou aqui pra fumar um cachimbo.
What?
Vamos lá, continuar explorando.
There we go.
Um lagarto! Iguana verde da hora.
Come on now, boy. Yeah. Easy. Whoa.
Vamos pescar caranguejo também, né?
Hey, boy.
Matei ela. Olha como descasca a pele do bicho.
Okay, fella. Get up. Hey! Hold on!
To hell with you.
Easy now.
Sapo ocidental que temos aqui também. Explorar as ilhas ao redor. Oh, easy.
Come on, pal. Easy. Slow it up.
Pra Silvestre.
Yep.
Caçar animais aumenta os olhos da vida, né? Os olhos da morte.
Easy now. You okay? Boy. Yep. Okay there. Yeah. Slow up now.
É rico a vida selvagem em Red Dead, né? Catálogo de animais que você tem.
Easy, easy. Yeah. Easy there. Yeah. Time to go, boy.
Acho que eu vou dormir por aqui, viu? que eu deixei o meu barco? Aqui roubaram ele.
Easy now. There we go.
Vou ter que montar acampamento e dormir aqui pra ver. Pegar o arte com a roupa de pirata. Remédio especial. Tô tudo equino. Vamos dormir aqui nas ilhas.
Yeah.
Meu barquinho sumiu, hein?
It's Arthur. Hello.
Oh,
Good
things
morning,
are all
Arthur.
right. Glad to hear it.
Miss Grimshaw.
What on earth are you wearing?
You could really use some more meat, Mr. Morgan.
Just make sure it goes into the pot, not your pocket. Fine, but make sure you get a good price for it. Many thanks.
Mr. Grimshaw?
Good job, Mr. Morgan.
Acho que agora ninguém morre de fome, né?
Abigail.
Good morning, Arthur.
Pescar mais peixe.
Miss O'Shea.
Good morning, Arthur.
Explorei um pouco das ilhas e agora dessa região. Um marujo pro pescar. Vou explorar aqui para não poder voltar mais nessa região.
Never will understand that these days.
What business is it of yours?
Quit wasting my goddamn time.
No. You goddamn idiot.
Nossa, esse lago é enorme, cara.
If There's that horse get up here.
Preciso pegar minhas armas. O Arthur sabe nadar comigo não. Meu cavalo tá vindo aí. Leonardo veio, ó. É meu chamar, né, amigão?
Real good.
Hey, boy.
Easy. That's good, boy.
Agora você não pode vir atrás de mim não, amigo. Onde eu vou agora é perigoso. Quero conhecer esse enorme lago. Sou um marujo Arthur Morgan. Vim aqui pra pegar você. Eu tava montando esse quarto. É, vou ter que usar remédio pra coisa.
Anything biting, I wonder.
Aqui deve ter peixe bom, hein? Vamos lá, vamos lá.
Ha! You'll do.
Vamos pescar outro modelo diferente de peixe.
Oh, you're on, my friend. No. The line. Damn.
Ô, você é bravo, hein?
Maybe. Okay. I got it. I'm keeping you, I'm afraid. Some bait might help. Let's try something new.
Vamos tentar uma isca diferente.
Come on. How's about this bait, I wonder?
Tinha um grandão por aqui.
Okay. You're coming with me.
Tá cheio de peixe aqui, ó. Nossa, esse era grandão, hein?
This could work. You okay?
Ah, esse não.
I need some bait on there.
Vamos lá, peixinho.
Afraid you're staying with me.
Vamos aí pra frente. Nossa, o lago é enorme, hein? Vamos ver os peixes que tem aqui nessa região. Eu vou pegar esse grandão. Ah, só peixe pequeno, cara.
Off you go then.
Vamos aqui, galera. Parar aqui, vamos dar a volta pra mostrar. Eu vou dar o acampamento. Já pensei em muitos peixes aqui.
Never comes when I need it. Every time.
O canário tá vindo aqui descansar. Vamos descansar aqui.
Yep.
Vamos ver o que o pessoal do acampamento tá fazendo.
Yes.
Good day, Mr. Morgan.
Arthur! Arthur!
Exploramos a região inteira do lago.
Uncle.
Hey, Arthur.
Hey there.
Hi, Arthur.
How you keeping, Abigail?
Just fine.
I never told you this, but
O Mike tá cantando a Abigail.
you're quite a woman.
Thank you.
Quite a woman. You can make a fella real happy. Bet you know how.
I got work to do.
Here's sneaky one, Morgan. I know your type. Don't mind me. Bye now.
Mr. Bell.
Hello, Arthur.
Always good to see you.
Hi there, Arthur.
Not the best quality, but some seasoning will hide it. Sure, might as well make some money off it.
Então os maiores peixes vou pegar.
Well done, Mr. Morgan. Many thanks, Mr. Morgan. Everyone's favorite uncle. Well, hello.
You want to sit, Mr. Morgan?
I need a word with you, Morgan.
What is it?
Bill Wilson.
We got something cooking you might be interested in.
Am I gonna like the sound of this?
Been cooking since Horseshoe, but you went and kicked up all that commotion in
Aquela confusão em
Valentine.
Valentine.
Now, we was preparing to rob the bank there until you got involved in all that nonsense, and I don't know, I just feel like it's unfinished business.
That wasn't my fault. It was just one of them things.
Uma
How
daquelas
come
coisas.
every time I get in trouble, I'm called a fool and an idiot? But when you get in trouble, oh, it's just one of them things.
That's a good point, Arthur.
A very good point.
All right, well, what do y'all want me to do?
Hit the goddamn bank with us.
Uma droga. Hã?
You really think it's worth
Roubar o
going
banco de
back there?
Valentine.
4 of us can hit the bank easy. But I ain't gonna lie to you, there will be loss if we linger.
And if we're serious?
No, just local boys being rounded up and pressed into action.
Meaning?
If we go in quick and quiet, we can hit it just fine. If there's 4 of us, I mean.
Y'all think it's worth the risk?
It's a bank,
O
Arthur.
banco
So?
Arthur.
Is the take?
Aquilo é bom.
According to the fella I met, yes. It's the end of the
Sim, é
stock
o fim
sales.
da...
Plenty of money and plenty of people milling about.
O Bill e
All
o
right, I suppose it's worth taking a look at least.
filho e a Sede
Just
estão
wait till
querendo
morning.
roubar.
In any case, I need to change out of these rags if I'm gonna be
A
performing.
roupa velha. Ah,
Okay.
o Bill tá bom,
So,
ok?
Bill, this better be worth it.
Oh, it is.
Ah, vai
We
sim.
put a lot of research into this one.
I hope so.
Espero.
All right. Let's go.
Let's go.
Mr. Morgan,
Roll.
House?
that man, the debtor, Thomas Downs, apparently he's
Thomas
dead.
Downs, aparentemente ele morreu.
He didn't seem very well.
His wife, I
A
believe
esposa
he
dele
has a
creio
wife and
que
child.
tem esposa
She will
e
assume
ela
the debt,
assumirá a dívida,
Of
cara.
course.
Then you can head
Quando
up
puder,
there
vai
to
até lá
Leicester.
e cobre
We lent them
dela.
a lot of money.
Okay.
Gentlemen,
Ok.
let's go rob ourselves a bank.
What's the
Vamos
plan
lá, vamos.
then?
Oh, we're gonna send Karen on in ahead as a distraction. Then we're just gonna rush on in afterwards. Just a small bank in a little town. Nothing that big in the way of security. We just need to
Security.
bring you along as a insurance policy.
Yeah, that sounds
Vamos lá.
about right.
Okay, let's move out. Yep.
Behind you.
Amanheceu o dia.
So, tell me again about this big can't go wrong plan of yours.
Oh, it can go wrong. Anything can once the shooting starts.
Well, that's reassuring.
Like I said, we'll see how it looks. If we can get in all right, we'll send Miss Jones ahead to the bank. They
Vamos
won't
roubar o banco de
recognize
Valentine,
her.
então.
I'll show you boys how it's done.
What are you thinking this time?
I don't know. Fellers always like a lost little girl, but nobody plays a drunken harlot quite like me. These should work.
Once she's got them distracted, we'll move in.
When I was scouting the place the other day, there was only a couple of guards.
We deal with them in any... customers who are feeling brave. And you always fancy yourself as the Vault Man, right, Arthur?
Now I see why you brought me.
Hey, I'm more than willing.
Nah, best I do it.
Oh, and did Dutch tell you I've also been cooking up some deals with them Grey Boys?
What? No. What kind of deals?
See, you don't realize, Morgan. I'm out there putting in the work same as you. I've been drinking with them a couple times now. Seems they're looking for some extra security.
Yeah, I'm sure they are.
Could be something in it for us.
Well, just be smart about it. You got a lot of irons in that fire right now.
Yes, I know, Morgan.
So, Certainly have been recently.
I mean, why the hell not? Roll with it. I just told him we needed you along.
I appreciate the confidence, kid.
And if we didn't rob this bank, we really would be slipping.
Thoughts like that, and you're one of us, no doubt.
Sure hope so.
All right. Guess we're doing this then. Glad you and Lenny are along for this, Karen.
Someone's gotta keep you boys out of trouble. I ain't sure even Lenny can be relied on to keep his head. Not after that night you two had in Valentine.
Yeah, I've been trying to forget that. What little I remember of it.
You've always been a bad drunk. And before you say it, I know. Takes one to know one.
Guess we'll never learn.
And Bill ain't much better. So should we stop for some whiskey?
How about we wait till after the bank, all right? Passing you. Can't believe you got me going back to Valentine.
Don't tell me it ain't hurt you leaving that bank behind.
Not really.
Work a town and not hit the bank? That's downright pathetic.
I guess we went a bit beyond working it. We shot the place to hell.
You did, Morgan. Not me. I played it cool up there. Couple of punch-ups, dealt with some O'Driscolls.
Ah, is that right?
Like I said, you mess up, it's just one of them things. I mess up, I'm the prize idiot.
Well, Bill, I don't know what to tell you.
Surprised you ain't already ripped me about that dynamite again. One mistake, and I'll never live it down.
What do you need? Pat on the back? A medal?
Just know, I got the lead on this one.
We'll see about that once things get going. Coming past. So, thinking this through. We rob Cornwall's train. We shoot a heap of his men at Valentine. We rob his stagecoach.
This is just dawning on you now.
And now, we're going back to the one place he knew where to find us.
That's the genius of it. Folk never look at what's right under their nose.
I ain't sure that's always true.
What's happened to you? You're getting real nervy in your old age.
The last few weeks happened. That'll have to wait. We're here. Let's take it nice and easy. In front of you.
After you.
Good morning.
There. Coming through.
Okay.
Okay, let's leave the horses here off the main drag.
Whoa! All right, gentlemen, here we are.
Okay. Get ready. Okay. Go to work.
Of course.
All right, keep it cool and follow me, fellers. So, we never decided. Is it lost little girl you want, or the drunken harlot? So which one?
Of course, you know I like the harlot.
You're the only one. You're a bunch of filthy sinners and the heartbreakers, a lot of you. Now where is he?
If you're ready, get going.
Good luck, gentlemen.
We got this.
Where is he?
I really think you should leave, madam.
I'm not leaving.
Okay, we're going.
No, hold on. Wait till she's got him reeled in.
Who are you? Don't act like you don't know. Oh, stuck up in here. Not so goddamn stuck up last night. Sorry. Just between us.
I've never seen this woman in my life.
Get your goddamn hands up! This is a goddamn robbery!
Nobody move! Get word up! Nobody move! Don't make us hurt you! Here! Unlock the door!
Okay, the door's unlocked.
Well, you think we're here for fun? Come on. Open the goddamn vault! Open it! Don't make me hurt you. Too slow.
How's it going in there?
Too slowly! You better get that door open right now.
I'm nearly there.
Just open the goddamn door. Too goddamn slow! Son of a bitch, hurry up! Come on!
Okay.
Son of a bitch! Hurry up! I'm in! Someone come make sure the chute behaves himself in here!
Come here. Open the lockboxes now!
The manager does that.
God damn it! Now what?
Guess I'll crack them or blow them up. Keep an eye out. I'll be as quick as I can. Yeah, I think I should be able to crack these.
All right, but you better be quick. You shut the hell up and stay still!
Hey, keep still. If I see that leg move again, you get a bullet in it.
How much time do you think we got?
I don't know. Not much. This is taking too long.
Me too. Boys, you need to move this along!
Hurry up in there! How are you getting on?
Going as fast as I can. This is slower, but it's quiet.
Okay.
Hey, watch him there.
Don't worry. I see him.
Please, let me go. I won't say nothing. I swear.
Shut the hell up and stay where you are. I'll keep a lookout at the door. Bill, how's it going in there?
We're getting there. Few more minutes. How's it looking there?
Good.
Told you.
Don't count your chickens just yet. That's another one cleared. This is looking good.
How much longer?
Nearly there.
Okay, you reckon that's enough now?
Maybe. It's never enough.
Well, I am ready to get the hell out of here whenever you are.
Last one.
Good. We gotta move.
I think we're fine. Come on, I'll lead the way.
Let's go. Everybody, stay calm. All of you count to 100 and keep your mouth shut. You understand me?
And look, over there!
think we lost.
Thank you, gentlemen. That was...
Stupid and dangerous. Thank you, Bill.
We're alive and we're paid. I don't see the problem.
Yeah, and that is the problem. Bill,
Thank
this
you.
is a very good take. Dutch will be happy, even if it did come with a heap of trouble.
Ah, it was fun.
Well, maybe you're right. Now, go on, get out of here. I have some other business to attend to. Don't head directly back to camp, and make sure you ain't followed. Okay. Yep, this is Downs. Yep.
My husband's not calling me ground and you come back here. Archie, I nearly paid off what was owed.
Your husband knew the rules when he took that money. Now, I'm real sorry about the way things turned out. But he had a choice. Ain't my fault about the way the world is.
He didn't have a choice. He was good and he did good. There wasn't no choice in that. And you as good as killed him yourself, and don't kid yourself. You had a choice.
You speak as if killing was something I cared about.
You ever wonder about eternity? You should.
I hope it's hot and terrible, Mrs. Downs. Otherwise, I'll feel I've been sold a false bill of goods. Now, please, give me that money. Either you got a lazy eye or lack of respect. Which is it, boy?
I ain't got no lazy eye. No respect for the likes of you.
Well, maybe when your mother's finished mourning your father, I'll keep her in black, on your behalf. You think on that, boy?
Well, maybe you shall, sir. And maybe other events will transpire.
You best stick to them books, because mark my words on this. Vengeance is an idiot's game. Ah, Mrs. Downs, thank you for your punctuality. It's next to godliness, isn't it?
That's cleanliness.
I'll have to take your word on that. Good day. You keep your eyes open, Bill?
Not a bad night for it.
Keeping out of trouble there?
Of course I am.
Evening.
Evening, Arthur.
There she is.
Evening.
Have a nice evening.
Hi.
Hey, Jack.
Hi. Evening, Arthur.
So, apparently, the horseless carriage is a reality. In Germany. I read about it in the newspaper. By next year, we'll all be driving.
And flying too, no doubt.
See, I like a horse well enough to not want to give one up for a machine.
Well, maybe the horse can ride in the carriage with you.
Now there's an idea. My God, what does he put in this slop?
He waits until the meat is crawling with lice, and then he cooks it.
Oh, that explains it.
Hey, you two, mind your manners a little. Mr. Pearson, he takes good care of us.
Pearson.
Evening, Arthur. Neither. Way I see it, ain't no good in worrying about what may be. Worry about what you got and ain't got, and none of you got nothing to worry about.
Many thanks.
Just like my daddy told me. He said, son, don't worry about the future. Worry about today. I said, thank you, Arthur. What do you mean, Pop? He said, well, you're gonna get a beating so hard you'll be lucky to even see tomorrow. He was right. Damn nearly killed me, but it taught me not to watch women in the outhouse and get caught. It also taught me not to worry about nothing other than that which is gonna happen.
How's that food looking?
Arthur. That's deep, Uncle.
I speak only the truth.
Good evening to you.
Hey.
Very good. Good on you.
Hey, Arthur.
time for bed. Things are spinning a bit now.
Estamos fazendo essa comemoração no acampamento. Vocês viram lá que o Arthur, ele voltou o dinheiro lá pra senhora Jones. O Archibald, eu acho. Vamos ver o que falta pra melhor aqui. Pode melhorar o acampamento. Agora sobrando dinheiro, né? Vamos ver. É isso aí, $14.
Arthur! Arthur!
Que esse panfleto? Ração Quina. Um ar... Mike Balch não é o outro. Pegamos vários itens aqui. Vamos dormir. Senhora Jones. O Archibald Jones. É isso mesmo. Vou interagir um pouco aqui com o pessoal do acampamento. Vamos ver que missões falta para fazer.
Good morning.
Morning, Arthur.
Hey, Charles.
Eu já não peguei o Leandro, mas na próxima parte nós vai pegar. Nossa, já é quase 3h30 de gameplay.
Mr. Swanson.
Morning, Mr. Morgan.
Miss Jones. Hey.
Morning, Arthur.
Hey, get up.
Essa parte hoje nós conhecemos o lago aqui, ó, enorme. Exploramos toda essa área aqui, ó. Valeu a pena explorar. O mapa ainda é um mundo a ser explorado, né? Red Dead 2.
Ah, it's nothing.
What's wrong, Arthur?
Are you well?
Okay.
There he is.
Oh, Jack.
You awake yet? You gonna get up?
Hi! What is it?
Don't worry. It can wait.
I'm too tired for this.
Galera, na próxima parte vou acabar por aqui já a live, o gameplay. A gente vai continuar. Pegar esse óleo de oleão aqui pro Xavier. O Charles. Eu que tinha pegado.
You good?
Vou salvar aqui. Então é isso aí, galera. Obrigado por vocês terem acompanhado até aqui. A gente continua na próxima parte, beleza? Valeu, um forte abraço. Até a próxima. Fui.